Senator Amy Marcos revealed she has been warned she might suffer the fate of broadcaster Jay Sonsa. Sonsa had been arrested for allegedly spreading fake news about President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s health. Marcos said she had a nervous caller telling her to avoid going out.
Sinabi na huwag kang labas ng labas at huhulihin ka. Anong huhulihin? Ano bang ginawa ko? Dadamputin ka, sabi.
The senator earlier claimed that her brother had been in and out of the hospital due to health issues.
Sabi ng tao, naku, magdahan-dahan ka, ganyan na. Bakit mo kasi sinabi sa interview mo sa Cebu na 3 beses sinugod ng Pangulo dyan sa ospital? Sabi ko, yun ang balita sa palasyo at sila rin ang nagsabi. Ano ibig mo sabihin? Nagagalit sila, wag mo daw sinasabi-sabi yan at Jason ka.
Senator Marcos, however, defended her remarks about her brother's health condition, saying they were based on information she claimed came from concerned members of the president's security personnel.
Bakit sila magagalit? Bakit naging national security issue na sinabi yung katotohanan? Bawal ba maging tapat ngayon?